it's really a great effort on the part of Mohit and these children also, that they've started doing so well in photography in just 2 years' time. This looks to be a very lively photograph to me, full of life. It shows that life is full of colors and being happy.
My name is William Chang, and I'm a professional photographer and photography educator. I've been a professional photographer for now 14 years. I am now currently a Canon photo mentor, so I teach workshops with Canon, and I also teach at Jamia. I teach at a YouTube channel called Pixel Village. You should check them out, Pixel Village on YouTube. It was so nice to see that you're involved and this brand is involved in your NGO, so great work, Panasonic. It's nice that corporates like you are actually investing in lives of these young people.
I'm feeling great, because it's a very good exposure for our boys, and their work has been acknowledged here. They have put up here all their photographs. So it's a great moment for us. It gives them a lot of confidence. They are very happy coming here, seeing their own. It gives an impression of that togetherness feeling and friendship feeling, I can get from this.
We are more excited. We much appreciate we just got this opportunity on this platform. We just, thanks to Panasonic and mentor Mohit, we think we got more opportunities on this. 2019 is a big year. Maybe we blast something on this year. All are very nice, all are very good. It's very colorful.
The platform they've been given to showcase their work. What more can a parent ask for? For their child to be taken seriously. Story about the whole group, and definitely this one shot by my son Tarat.
I am impressed. My mother and my teachers Mohit sir.
तन्मय को बहुत जल्दी अपॉर्चुनिटी मिली है, जल्दी इसको हायर स्केल कह सकते हैं कि मिल रहा है। तन्मय सब अपने फ्रेंड्स में यंग है। थैंक यू टू पैनासोनिक जिन्होंने हमारे बच्चों को ये अपॉर्चुनिटी दी है।
So we're here at the CEIF 2019 with the Beyond Fame, with the Panasonic guys, and all the students are here. But more importantly, we've done a great job. I'm very proud of them once again. And all the frames are behind us. There's Jiveshu Bhai once again. There's Astha there. There's me with the kids. Yeah, I get my glamour moment. But more importantly, all these champs have done a great job because Bharat, you've done a great job.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Tanmay and Shiva are somewhere there on the way. But I think this is all about creating opportunities, creating a belief that they can do things. So now we're just waiting for more people to believe that they can do a lot. And we can do a lot. We can do good photography.
Yes, we can.
Yes, we can. Yes, we can. And yes, we will.